Welcome back to Your Finance Lab. We're thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on a journey to secure your financial future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is designed to provide you with valuable insights and actionable steps to achieve financial success. Building financial security is a lifelong journey, but there are key milestones you can achieve by age 40 to set yourself up for long-term success. Think of these milestones as the peaks of a mountain. Each one you reach brings you closer to the summit of financial freedom. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can even think about putting up walls or a roof, right? Just as a house requires a strong base to stand tall, your financial journey needs a solid groundwork to support your future growth and stability. These milestones are like those foundational elements for your financial future. They serve as benchmarks to measure your progress and ensure you're on track to achieve financial freedom. By setting and reaching these goals, you create a roadmap that guides you through the complexities of personal finance. It's not about putting unnecessary pressure on yourself, but rather about having a clear roadmap to follow. A well-thought-out plan can alleviate stress and provide a sense of direction, making it easier to navigate financial decisions and stay focused on your long-term objectives. In today's video, we'll outline 10 essential financial milestones to aim for before turning 40. These milestones are designed to be achievable and realistic, providing you with a structured approach to managing your finances and building wealth over time. Whether you're ahead of the curve, just getting started, or somewhere in between, these steps will provide a roadmap for securing your financial future. It's important to remember that everyone's financial journey is unique, and these milestones can be tailored to fit your individual circumstances and goals. Remember, it's never too early or too late to take control of your finances. No matter where you are on your financial journey, taking proactive steps today can lead to significant benefits in the future. The key is to stay committed and make informed decisions that align with your long-term vision. Stick around until the end for a bonus milestone that ties everything together. This bonus milestone is designed to provide you with an extra edge in your financial planning, offering insights that can enhance your overall strategy and help you achieve your goals more effectively. This one's all about maximizing your financial potential in a way that goes beyond just dollars and cents. Let's dive in. By focusing on holistic financial well-being, you can create a balanced and fulfilling life that encompasses not only financial success, but also personal satisfaction and peace of mind. All right, let's kick things off with the cornerstone of personal finance, the emergency fund. This is one of the most crucial aspects of managing your money wisely, yet it's often overlooked. Many people think that just having a savings account is enough, but an emergency fund is a specific, dedicated pool of money set aside for unexpected expenses. This is the financial safety net that will help you sleep better at night, knowing you can handle whatever curveballs life throws your way. It's not just about having money, it's about having peace of mind. When you know you have a cushion to fall back on, you can face life's uncertainties with a lot more confidence and less stress. Imagine this. You unexpectedly lose your job, your car breaks down and needs a major repair, or you have a medical emergency. These are situations that can happen to anyone, and they often come without warning. The last thing you want is to be caught off guard and unprepared. An emergency fund ensures that you have the financial resources to deal with these situations without having to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt. These situations are stressful enough without the added burden of not having the funds to cover them. Financial stress can take a toll on your mental and physical health, affecting your overall well-being. By having an emergency fund, you can alleviate some of this stress and focus on resolving the issue at hand, rather than worrying about how you're going to pay for it. That's where your emergency fund comes in. It's your financial buffer, your safety net, your peace of mind. It's not just about having money saved up. It's about having a plan and being prepared for the unexpected. When you have an emergency fund, you're not just reacting to crises. You're proactively managing your financial health. Having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses readily available provides a crucial buffer against these unexpected events. This means that if you lose your job, you have enough money to cover your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and other essential expenses while you look for a new job. It gives you the time and space to make thoughtful decisions rather than rushed ones. It prevents you from going into debt or making rash financial decisions when you're already under pressure. When you're in a crisis, it's easy to make decisions out of fear or desperation. An emergency fund helps you avoid this by providing a financial cushion that allows you to think clearly and make better choices. Remember, an emergency fund isn't about getting rich quick. It's about protecting yourself from financial disaster and having the peace of mind that you can weather any storm. It's about being prepared for life's uncertainties and having the confidence to face them head-on. It's a long-term strategy for financial stability and security. Trust me, it's worth every penny. The sense of security and peace of mind that comes with having an emergency fund is invaluable. It's an investment in your future and your well-being. So start building your emergency fund today and take the first step towards financial freedom and stability. Now that we've covered the importance of an emergency fund, let's talk about another major financial milestone to hit before 40: eliminating high-interest debt. High-interest debt can be a silent killer of financial dreams, slowly eroding your financial stability and making it difficult to achieve your long-term goals. It's essential to understand the impact this type of debt can have on your overall financial health. I'm talking credit cards, payday loans, and anything with an interest rate that makes your stomach churn. These types of debt often come with exorbitant interest rates that can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. The first step in tackling high-interest debt is to identify all the sources of such debt in your financial portfolio. High-interest debt is like a financial anchor weighing you down, preventing you from making progress towards your goals. Imagine trying to swim with a heavy weight tied to your ankle. That's what high-interest debt does to your financial freedom. It keeps you stuck in one place, unable to move forward or make significant progress. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that could be going towards building wealth instead. Think about it. The money you're spending on interest payments could be invested in stocks, real estate, or even a retirement fund. Over time, these investments could grow and provide you with a substantial financial cushion. Think of it like this. If you have a credit card balance of $10,000 with a 20% interest rate, you're paying over $2,000 a year just in interest. That's a significant amount of money that could be better utilized elsewhere. By paying off this debt, you free up those funds for more productive uses. That's money you could be investing, saving for a down payment, or using to pursue your passions. Imagine the possibilities if you didn't have to worry about high-interest debt. You could travel, start a business, or even take up a new hobby without the constant stress of debt hanging over your head. By age 40, you want to be in a position where you're in control of your finances, not the other way around. Financial freedom means having the ability to make choices that align with your values and goals without being constrained by debt. It's about having the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're on solid financial footing. Eliminating high-interest debt is a crucial step in achieving that control and setting yourself up for long-term financial success. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the freedom and opportunities that come with being debt-free. So take the necessary steps to tackle your high-interest debt today and pave the way for a brighter, more secure financial future. All right, guys, let's talk about income. You can't build a solid financial future without a stable income source. By the time you hit 40, having that steady paycheck coming in is crucial. It's not just about paying your bills, although that's obviously important. A stable income gives you the foundation to plan for the future. You can budget effectively, knowing roughly how much you'll have coming in each month. This stability allows you to set realistic savings goals, whether it's for retirement, a down payment on a house, or investments. Without it, you're constantly playing catch-up, which can be incredibly stressful. Remember, financial security is all about having options and peace of mind. All right, let's talk retirement, guys. I know, it seems like a lifetime away, especially when you're in your 20s and 30s. But trust me, the earlier you start planning for retirement, the better off you'll be. Why? 2 words: compound interest. It's like magic, but with money. Basically, when you invest your money, it earns interest. And then that interest earns interest, and so on. It's a snowball effect that can turn small, consistent contributions into a significant nest egg over time. But here's the catch: compound interest needs time to work its magic. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. By 40, you want to have a solid foundation in place so your money can really start working for you. Don't wait until it's too late, guys. Start small, stay consistent, and let compound interest do its thing. Your future self will thank you. Let's talk about homeownership. It's a big decision, probably one of the biggest financial commitments you'll ever make. By the time you hit 40, it's a good idea to either own a home or have a solid plan in place to buy one, if that aligns with your goals. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, isn't renting better in some cases? And you know what? You're right. Renting definitely has its perks, like flexibility and fewer responsibilities. But owning a home can be a powerful wealth-building tool. By the time you hit 40, your investment portfolio shouldn't look like a basket with all your eggs in one place. Remember that condo you bought when you were 28? That's real estate, that's one basket. And yeah, your 401k is cooking, good for you. But that might just be stocks. We're talking about spreading your investments across different asset classes. Stocks, bonds, real estate, maybe even some alternative investments if you're feeling adventurous. Think of it like this. If one basket falls, you don't want all your eggs scrambling. Diversification is key to mitigating risk. It's about finding that sweet spot between playing it safe and chasing those high returns. Remember, we're in it for the long haul, and a well-diversified portfolio is your ticket to weathering those market storms. Okay, so maybe you're thinking, Graham, I'm still paying off my own student loans. Why am I worried about someone else's education? And I get it, trust me. But hear me out. Think about the cost of college today. Now imagine it in 18 years. Scary, right? By starting a college savings plan early, like a 529 account, you're essentially giving your future kids or grandkids, nieces, nephews, you name it, a massive head start. These plans offer tax advantages and the beauty of compound growth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, and the less you'll have to worry about those sky-high tuition bills down the road. We've already talked about diversifying your investments, but here's the thing. You should be diversifying your income too. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket, risky business. By the time you're 40, you should be thinking about creating multiple streams of income. This could be anything from a side hustle you're passionate about to rental income from an investment property. Remember, the more income sources you have, the more secure your financial future will be. Plus, it's a great way to accelerate your wealth-building journey and achieve financial independence faster. All right, guys, we're talking insurance. I know, it's not as exciting as picking stocks or flipping houses, but trust me on this one. Insurance is about protecting what you've worked so hard to build. Think of it as your financial safety net. Accidents happen, unexpected events pop up, and you don't want to be caught off guard, right? That's where insurance comes in. Okay, let's talk estate planning. I know it sounds morbid, but trust me, it's important. Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy. It's about making sure your wishes are carried out and your loved ones are taken care of no matter what. Imagine this. Something happens to you and there's no plan in place. Your assets get tied up in legal battles, your family is left scrambling, and it's just a mess. Not the legacy you want to leave behind, right? And there you have it. 10 crucial financial milestones to aim for by the time you hit 40. Remember, achieving these milestones isn't about bragging rights. It's about building a solid financial foundation for yourself and your loved ones. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, weather any financial storms, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're financially secure. Achieving these milestones by 40 sets the stage for a secure and prosperous future. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Start where you are and work consistently toward your goals. Which milestone resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights from Your Finance Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.